Hey folks, I just want to give you guys a heads up about this next assignment. We're going to be working on 8.3, which is graphing a quadratic function when y is equal to a times x squared plus b times x plus c. So this is just building off of the last couple of graphing assignments that we've had. And if you didn't get a chance to do those yet, you really should if you want to have a better understanding of how this works and why this is slightly different than the others. So anyways, I don't know if you guys noticed it, but we're taking baby steps through this topic so that you have plenty of a chance to absorb what's going on. So anyways, in this one, we're going to do very little. All I want you to do is take these two quadratic functions in exploration 1. One of them's y equals 2x squared minus 8x, and the other one's y equals 2x squared minus 8x plus 6. And again, you'll notice up here it says f of x, and down here it says y, and that's because f of x is essentially y. They kind of mean the same thing. Anyways, what I'd like you to do is I'd like you to go into Desmos and I'd like you to sketch the graph of this guy and then put the dots onto this student in the student journal, and then you'll take a picture and you'll upload to Google Classroom, and then you'll put this guy into Desmos and you'll put the dots on the graph and you'll sketch the graph, and you'll you only need one photo of both, and you can just upload that to Google Classroom to let me know that you did it. Let me show you how to get this done in Desmos, just as a quick refresher. So in Desmos, what you're going to do is you're going to type the equation, and it'll go something like this: y equals 2x, and then to get the square, oh, by the way, I don't want you to see what the graph looks like, so I'm going to hide it from you for right now. I want you to do this. So it'll be y equals 2x, and then you do the shift 6 key, the 6 key on your keyboard shifted, and that'll get you up to the exponent, and then you can put a 2 in there. If you're on your phone, I think you can do it this way, and this will also get you the exponent if you do like that. Then you'll do whatever the next part was. I think it was minus 8x, and then you'll see the graph, but it might not be that easy to figure out where to put the dots in the student journal. And so for that, what you'll do is you'll click on this little gear, and then you'll choose table, and then it'll show you. Oops! Uh-oh. Dang it, I didn't want you to see that. I want you to do the work on your own. So anyways, you're going to do that for this function, this quadratic function, and for the other one. You'll do the tables, and then you'll put them on the graphs. And then I do want you to do one more thing, is after you get the two graphs, you will then go back to the student journal, and you will answer these 3 questions. I think they're on the same page as that exploration 1. Let me figure out what page these are. So the exploration is on page 255 in your student journal, and same with questions B, C, and D. And you will just try to answer these questions the best that you can. And that's it. All I want you to do is see if you can do the 2 graphs, and then see what you can write down here about what you notice about the 2 graphs. And then that will be a starting point for the next day's lesson, where we use this exploration to create a new rule that you can then use from then on to graph quadratic functions. So anyways, that's it. That's all I got for you. Again, you'll end up taking a picture of the 2 graphs. You'll take a picture of whatever you wrote here, and you'll submit those to this Google Classroom.